fucking noise. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna put that on 30 Seconds to Mars Instagram. If you're not following us, then you fucking should be. But we're gonna make a little TikTok tonight too, so if you get those phones back up, raise them high. Every single person, we need every single phone in the air for this to work. And then I'll shut up. Okay, when the song starts, we're gonna raise it up. We're gonna go up and down, guys. You understand? You understand? So people, don't just hold it there. You gotta lift it up and down, okay? And for this next song, promise me that you're gonna go absolutely fucking crazy. Ohio, make some noise!